If you use LibreOffice Writer often, changing the default font can save you a lot of time. Instead of manually switching fonts every time you open a new document, you can set your favorite font once and have it automatically apply to future Writer files. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the default font in LibreOffice Writer, step by step, in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's get into it. First, open LibreOffice Writer on your computer. Once the program is open, look at the top menu bar. You'll want to click on Tools. This is where LibreOffice keeps many of its customization and preference settings. After clicking Tools, choose Options from the menu. The Options window is where you can control settings for the entire LibreOffice application, including Writer-specific defaults. Now, in the left-hand panel, look for LibreOffice Writer. Expand that section if needed, and then click on Basic Fonts Western. This is the area that controls the default font settings used in new documents for Western language text. Here, you'll see different font options for things like default text, headings, lists, and more. Select your preferred default font from the available font drop-downs. You can also adjust the size if you want your new documents to open with a different font size as well. Take a moment to make sure you've chosen the font you actually want for future documents. This is important because once you save the setting, new Writer documents will use these values automatically. If you ever want to switch back later, you can return to the same menu and change it again. Once you've selected your default font, click OK to save the changes. LibreOffice will apply the new setting right away. Now, the next time you create a new document in LibreOffice Writer, it will start with your selected default font instead of the original one. That means your documents will look the way you want from the beginning, and you won't need to keep changing the font manually every time. If you want to double-check that it worked, simply open a brand new Writer document and start typing. You should see your new default font already in place. And that's it. You've successfully changed the default font in LibreOffice Writer. A small setting like this can make a big difference if you create documents regularly, especially if you want consistent formatting across everything you write. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.